Welcome to Teen Science Pop-Up. This is Jackie and Calla from the Champaign Public Library. This summer we'll be releasing science kits on June 8th, June 22nd, July 13th, and July 27th. You can pick up your kits at the children's desk at the main library. This week's science kit is Giant Bubble Wand. In your kit you'll find dowel rods, rope, eyelets, a washer, dish soap, and glycerin. On one end of each dowel rod, you will find a small hole. Use the holes in the dowel rods to screw in the eyelets. Take your short rope, thread one end through an eyelet, and knot the end of the rope to that eyelet. Repeat this step with the other dowel rod and rope end. Take your long rope, thread one end of the rope through your first eyelet, knotting the end next to the short rope's knot. Take the washer and thread it onto the long rope. Thread the other end of the long rope through the second eyelet and knot the end onto the eyelet. Mix the glycerin into the dish soap. When you're ready to use your bubble mixture, pour it into a large bowl and add 2 cups of warm water, mixing it together. To use your wand, dip all the rope into the bubble mixture. Keep the ropes of the wand together and allow some of the bubble mixture to drip off. Slowly open the ropes and lightly move your wand through the air.